Tired of your phone dying at the worst possible moment? The Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is your ultimate solution for endless power. This beast of a portable charger gives you a massive 20,000 mAh, capable of recharging your iPhone 6 or more times. That's a whole week's worth of power. What truly sets the Anker PowerCore apart is its intelligent Power IQ technology, identifying your device to deliver the fastest, safest charge every single time. And with dual USB ports, you can easily power up two gadgets simultaneously, making it perfect for sharing or charging your phone and tablet together. If you're looking for the best portable charger or reliable electronics for 2025, this Anker PowerCore is an absolute game changer. It's not just about capacity. It's about smart, efficient, and dependable power from a brand you can trust. Ready to say goodbye to low battery anxiety forever? Grab your Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh from Amazon using the link in the description below. This is an essential travel companion, emergency backup, and everyday power source for all your devices. For anyone seeking top-tier portable power, the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is my definitive recommendation for 2025.